He's got 3 eggs in there as well, look. 3 little eggs inside. Look. Isn't he just so clever, this little bird, look. Look how he's made his nest. Isn't he clever?
Let me see. 1, 2,
3, and lots of little feathers to keep the eggs nice and warm inside the nest. Eh? No, the eggs aren't real, but the nest is real. It's a real nest, but they're only pretend eggs because we can't take the eggs away from the mummy birds, can we?
No.
No.
She is doing like that.
You just watch. Oh, you mean when he comes out, it goes like that, beep, beep, beep. No, the inside the egg, yes. The little chicken or the little bird inside the egg. He starts pecking at it, doesn't he? You see?
It's called it bells.
Until he cracks the egg. And the penguins have got eggs as well. And do the penguins lay their eggs in a nest like this one? No, they don't put it inside here, do they? The penguins, they've got like a little pouchy thing here. And the eggs are in there, and it gets like a big fat tummy. It goes, they drop their tummies over the top, and they sit on their daddy's feet, because it's the daddy penguins that look after the eggs and look after the baby chicks. And the mummy penguin is the one that goes off to see if she can find fish for them to eat.
I've seen the penguin film.
This was?
I've seen the penguin.
You saw the penguin film, that's right, and the daddy one keeps sitting. Anyway, listen. That's right, he looks like that, doesn't he? That's right. Yes. So, hang on a minute then. So all birds, sit down please, sit down please. Sit down please. Sit down please. It's a beautiful penguin, but can you sit down? Yes, very good. Okay. You tell me afterwards. Okay. So all birds don't make nests like this, do they? Some birds make their nests in the sand. Don't they? And some birds, look, can you go sit down, sweetie, please? Some birds, look, make their nests in the
plants.
It's supposed to be a tree. Okay? This is a tree. You imagine there's a tree in the garden. And the ants, can you sit down? I will come round and show you if you sit down. Miguel, sit down. And the mummy and the daddy are going backwards and forwards all the time to pull all the leaves and the little bits of twine, look, to make these beautiful little nests. Ready to put their eggs in. No, you don't need to touch it. Ready to, I know there should be 3. I wonder where the other one's gone. You see? And it takes them a long time to make that egg nest, to put their eggs inside. Keep their babies warm. Perhaps that's what Big Bird's done. Do you think so? Bird. Look. Bird. Who can tell me the letter? Who can tell me the letter for bird? Shall we all do it? B for bird. B for bird. That's the sound of letter B. Good girl. Letter B. Who can tell me what this says? What's it supposed to be, this part here? What's it called?
A butterfly.
What's it called? Look, here's its name.
Butterfly.
And it begins with... No. This isn't a butterfly. This one isn't a butterfly.
No.
What does the butterfly do? He makes himself a does he wrap around himself before he becomes a butterfly?
A cocoon.
A cocoon, that's right. He goes inside when he's a little tiny caterpillar, doesn't he? And he goes inside and he makes his cocoon and he moves it round and round and round and round and round.
Caterpillar.
And he stays in there for a long time and he gets big and fat.
And it was a butterfly.
Yeah, and when he comes out, he's a butterfly. That's right. But this one isn't a butterfly. This is called a silk moth. A silk moth. And this is the cocoon from the silkworms. We've got some cocoons here from the silkworms.
Oh, lads, they're not a butterfly now.
They are, look. Cocoons from the silkworms. You see, they don't weigh anything. They're just so light. Would you like to feel them? Hold them. That's it. Are those heavy or are they light, do you think?
No.
They are light, aren't they? Perhaps you'd like to pass them on so everybody could have a look. Can you see that on one end there's a hole? Let me pass one from this side. Can you see there's a hole here on the end? Here? That's where the little silk moth has made a hole. He's eaten a little hole in it so that he can come out.
Let me see.
Look.
Let me see.
Do you want to feel it? You can feel it if you want to. Be gentle though, don't break it, be gentle.
Pass it to me.
And then let Miguel have a feel. Let him have a look and Miguel pass it to Aisha. Can you see the hole where he came out?
What?
Look, and this, different to the butterflies, this is a silk moth. Can you see? Silk moth, they haven't got lots of colours like the butterflies have, and really they don't fly. They just eat and eat and eat and eat until they get big and fat. They go into the cocoon, they come out as a silk moth, and because they can't fly, they just lay their eggs and then they die. Die is when they sorry? Yes, that's right. It's when they go to heaven, isn't it? And there's no more life left in them.
They go back to nature.
They go back to nature, yes. You've seen it, did you? No, there's nothing inside those.
I want to see the little hole.
You want then hold it if you want to have a look at the hole. There it is. The butterfly. You wanted to see the butterfly. Look at the butterfly then. Oh, yeah. That's right. It's a little silk moth. Come out this side. You look. The silk moth. Be gentle. Be gentle. Don't break it. Wait a minute, Danny. You can break the wing off.
Is it real?
Have you seen the silk moth, Aisha?
No.
Anyway, this is our silk moth, look. And here it says silk moth. Silk moth. It's a little bit different, isn't it, too? Here, who can tell me what this is that we've got here? Who can tell me? Ooh! Again. Well, I didn't see it again. A lizard! That's right. This is a lizard, look. A lizard that we found in the garden. You made it, yes, you made it and you pulled it off, didn't you? Look, lizard. Yes, yes, I know, but his head's on this side. Look. Can you see his eyes? Can you see his eyes there?
It's there.
Yes, it is, darling. Yes. We found him like that
No.
in the garden. He was just flattened. I think he was flattened either between stones or something. Can you see the lizard? Eh? Let me put that one back in the box then before it gets...
see.
Have you all seen the lizard? Have you seen the lizard, Pablo?
Not me.
He's what? Those are his hands. Those are his hands. I've got to stick him back on the stone because he's not, keeps coming unstuck.